Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the Developer tab so you can access form controls. Open your workbook and save a copy. Once done, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and check Developer. Make sure to select the range or a single cell where you want checkboxes to appear, because placing them precisely avoids later repositioning. Next, click the Developer tab and locate Insert under Controls. This gives you the checkbox form control. Now you're ready to insert the first checkbox into the sheet. Insert a checkbox from Developer Insert Form Controls checkbox. Draw the control near your chosen cell, then right-click and choose Format Control. Link it to a nearby cell so true/false output appears. This connection lets Excel read the state for formulas. To place multiple boxes quickly, copy and paste or hold Alt while dragging to snap to cell grid for clean alignment. Make sure sizes match. Use the Format Painter, or set exact height and width for uniform appearance across rows or columns. Finalize by using linked true/false values in formulas like IF or COUNTIF to summarize selections. Once done, set each checkbox property to move and size with cells so they stay aligned if you resize or sort. If checkboxes won't respond, make sure Developer is still enabled and that each control's cell link is correctly referencing the intended cell. Incorrect links yield no data. Finally, test a sort on the linked column first, and if positions shift, undo and set properties before sorting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.